In this lesson, you'll be creating your first Unreal Engine project. Super easy. Just access the Unreal Engine tab in the Epic Games Launcher, access a library, have an Unreal Engine version installed, and then you have to actually launch that version. There's no way for you to create a project right here. You have to launch the Unreal Engine first. So click on launch, and it will be buzzy and running for a bit, and everything will be loading. The Epic Games Launcher usually automatically closes once you click on the Unreal editor, which might not be helpful in some instances, but yeah. Now you just have to wait. Alright, so here's the Unreal Engine project browser, and here you'll find all the projects that are living in your computer, but not specifically the ones that are living in your computer, but the ones that are living on your computer and have actually been opened or modified, because Unreal will automatically save the location and the project there in this specific vault or project browser here. So to create a project for yourself, first you'll need to access one of those tabs here, right? We won't be needing any simulation, nor automotive, nor architecture, nor film and video events. Project templates, we're just going to be using the games project templates. If you disabled the project templates right when you were installing the Unreal Engine, you won't find those here, right? The vehicle, virtual reality, handheld, top down, third person and first person. You'll only see the blank project, which is fine, right? Because you might not want to have all of those templates or started content going on. So select a blank type of project, and then you will need to specify the project location. Click on this Browse for a Folder button, and I will be selecting this folder here. The project name shouldn't be any longer than 20 characters. Let me demonstrate this. So if I spam the number 8, you'll see that firstly, you can't actually begin a project name with a number. It needs to start with an alphabetic character. So let's set this to be Z, for example, and then Z, 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 Z. And you'll see right now that project names must not be longer than 20 characters. If I try to have an exclamation here, you can't also do that. You can't use spaces. So, it's kind of limited. You need to use like Pascal case or camel case, depending on what's your preference. But let's just name this My Project 01. You can do that. You can also use underscores like such, and it should be good to go. Right. For the project defaults, you would be using a blueprint project default instead of the C++ one, because, well, maybe you know how to program in C++, but for now, let's just use blueprints, which is the basic Unreal Engine visual scripting system. The target platform would be for desktop instead of mobile. Quality preset would be maximum, and starter content is just disabled. We don't need any of that. So for now, just create, and that should create an Unreal Engine project. There it is. All right, I have a pretty beefy computer, but Unreal shouldn't take any longer than like a couple minutes to open the project at first, especially if it's a blank project, right? You can dismiss the notifications, and this is Unreal Engine, right? I'm assuming that you don't know how to navigate any of this or what those windows are. That's the main focus for the next lesson. Now you just created a project. It's pretty easy, and the settings, you just saw that, yeah, they have no mystery to them. So yeah, see you in the next lesson. Bye.